What's up, YouTube? Check this out. We're doing the unboxing of the Tpob, or the Pissed Off Barber play set. We're gonna go ahead and open this. I already did a little cut on the plastic here. Clipper and trimmer set. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Ooh, very nice. Look at this little graphics here that they got going on. This is actually pretty cool, these little graphics that they got here. Very detailed. Let me see. Let's go ahead and take out these. These are the clippers. These are my first professional clippers. Alright guys, so you guys seen these before. I'm just going to set these down right here. You guys seen that before. That's my wall, my second clipper. This is the Tpob. This is going to be my first real professional, I would want to call this, what do you guys call this, mid entry, or actually pretty much professional, really. I mean, what makes a clipper professional? Like a high-end wall, or high-end what do you call that, babyless. Let's see. Okay, so looking right off the bat here, we have a clipper that comes with a nice little guard. Very nice, actually. Let's see. Nice little rubber grip here. Pretty clean. I read on the box here, this will turn, I believe it's green when it's running good, and when it starts turning red, it means it needs to be charged, and once it starts blinking red, it means that it's completely dead. Very nice. XO blade. Let's check that out. Very clean, very nice. Very nice clipper, guys. Oh, it has a little, I forgot about these. It has a little clicker, as opposed to the other clippers that I have. This one has the knob click. So every time you go up or down, it has a little click instead of like a floater one. Here, I'll show you guys here in just a minute with this my wall color pro cordless. It's just no clicking. See? Just up and down. And the other one is the Tpob is notch play. It has a little clicker. So if you want to go in the middle, bam bam, you cut. You want to close it, move it forward, you want to open it all the way, it has a little notch. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna see how I like those. T-play on the side. You have the on and off switch right there. Charging cable port right there. Nice little Tpob sign right there. It feels really nice, actually, guys, on the hands. It feels really nice. What else is in this box? Excuse the kids, guys, in the back. That's life. I got kids. My 5-year-old son and his cousin's actually over. So they're running around having fun, having a good time being kids. So here you have the trimmer. I was not gonna get the trimmer. I was actually trying to not cancel the order, but I was having second thoughts. But we'll see how this one plays out. So, design right there says Softy. There you go. Button on the side, rubber grips. On the bottom, it's gonna have that charging port, and it feels pretty clean, pretty nice, guys. Let's see. This one, I want to say they almost feel like the same weight, almost. I just put this one here just so you guys can see the difference. Maybe I'll just show it next to each other, so you guys can see the size of it. Pretty much the same size. This one feels pretty light. Let's see this one, the wall. Colorless Pro. I want to say this one's a little lighter than the Tpob. Oh yeah, definitely. A little lighter than the Tpob. But not too much difference though. Not too much difference. I like it. It's pretty light, and it's gonna have a lot more power than obviously the wall. Not too trash on the wall. I'm pretty sure the higher end ones, which I'm going to be getting in the future, like the Senior and the Magic Clip Vapor, gotta save up for those. Gotta try those out. I love wall. But this is a Tpob unboxing. Let's see, these are the little, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for you guys real quick. Alright guys, here you go. I just took them out of the little sleeve they were in. These are the charging ports, or charging stations, I don't know what you call these, for the clippers, for the clipper and the trimmer. Let's get this one out of the way here so we don't get a little confused. Put these side to side. I can't really tell if there's any difference on these, honestly. They look identical to me. They look really identical. I don't see any difference in these in sizes or anything. I think it's the same exact thing, just so you could charge them at the same time. Under the box, let's see what's under here. You have a Tpob play instruction manual, pretty cool. Charging cables on here. You got oil. You have a screwdriver, mini screwdriver. Little screwdriver that fell out. Look at that. It fell out of its place. Not sure what this thing is here. Let's see. If you guys know what this is, put it down in the comments. Not pretty sure. I'm sure I'll figure it out, but I'm not sure what that is. And of course the guards. Let's check out. I'm actually pretty interested in what they gave us. This looks like a 4. Then we go on here. This looks like a 3 right there. Then you come up and it looks like a 2. One more. This is a 1/1/2. And then this is obviously the 1 and the 1/2. Pretty clean, guys. And I heard the clippers actually work really good with the wall clippers. So we will see how that works out. But yeah, really happy with this right now. Can't wait to give it a try, guys. And you know what? Maybe I'll just turn this one on here. See how the clipper guard's off. Let's go ahead and turn it on. See what that sounds like. First impression here. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, it has like 2 levels. Okay. That's new. I haven't seen that before. But we'll see what that is. Definitely new to me, man. You know, this is pretty cool. I didn't even know I had 2 modes on this thing. So, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna have to definitely check these out. Try them out. I'm excited, man. Tpob. I think that's what I'm gonna be calling it, Tpob, because I'm always calling it Tpob, and it's not Tpob. So it's gonna be Tpob from now on, I guess. Yeah, guys, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys watching these videos to keep me motivated to make these videos for you guys. So thank you and peace.